Hey guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's fix this problem. Your account has been temporarily locked. Tap here on continue. Choose one of these two options to receive a code to verify your identity. You can receive the code either by SMS or email. Tap here on send security code. Here I received my code by SMS. Now we have to enter here the code. Tap on submit. You have to create here your new password, okay? Tap on next. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.